Hello traders, investors, and cryptocurrency fans. Welcome to our channel, where we bring you in-depth analysis, breaking news, and reliable projections about the world of blockchain and Web3 digital currencies. Today, we will talk about a piece of news that took many by surprise. Trump Media and Technology Group, the company behind the social network Truth Social, has officially announced that it will add Bitcoin to its balance sheet. In addition, the company revealed that it has raised $2.5 billion in a private round with around 50 institutional investors, part of which will be used to form a reserve in BTC, something unprecedented for a company so closely linked to conservative politics and media in the US. In this video, we will explore how Trump Media raised the $2.5 billion, how much it plans to invest in Bitcoin, why this decision could be historic for the sector, and whether other companies could follow this path. If you want to understand how even political players are entering the crypto world, keep watching until the end. Trump Media invests in Bitcoin. Trump Media and Technology Group, a company founded by former President Donald Trump and responsible for the social network Truth Social, has officially confirmed that it will start holding Bitcoin in its corporate portfolio. This announcement came together with the revelation that the company raised $2.5 billion in a private offering with approximately 50 institutional investors. Of this total, $1.5 billion came from common shares and $1 billion from convertible notes, with a conversion price 35% above the current value of the share. With this, the company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker DJT has real conditions to start using part of this capital to protect its cash with Bitcoin, following the model already tested by giants such as Strategy, formerly MicroStrategy. Why is this important for the market? While it may seem unlikely that a political company will get into the Bitcoin game, this move shows that BTC is becoming increasingly common in corporate wallets. Strategy already has over 580,000 Bitcoins, while Japanese companies like Metaplanet and Remix Point have also adopted the asset as a hedge against inflation and monetary instability. Now, Trump Media is joining the bandwagon, and although it has not revealed how many BTC it will buy, the mere mention of Bitcoin in its balance sheet is enough to move the market. Protection against financial discrimination. According to the company, entering the crypto world will serve to protect the organization against discriminatory practices by large financial institutions, especially those that have limited access to banking services for alternative communication platforms. In addition, the idea is that Bitcoin will help finance new features in the Truth Social ecosystem, such as digitally signed payments, a possible utility token, a decentralized transactions within the Truth Plus platform. This shows that the use of Bitcoin goes beyond speculation. It is becoming a real business tool. Reaction to the Financial Times rumor. Recently, the Financial Times stated that Trump Media was planning to invest up to $3 billion in cryptocurrencies, which generated great debate in the crypto community. The company responded quickly, denying the amount mentioned and criticizing the publication. The Financial Times has dumb writers. It also emphasized that any allocation in Bitcoin will be made strategically within a clear strategy of capital protection and technological innovation. Bitcoin on NASDAQ, will it reach 120,000? At the time of recording this video, Bitcoin was worth $110,040, with a slight increase of 0.3% in the last 24 hours. This increase comes amid a favorable macroeconomic scenario with lower geopolitical risk and greater institutional support. And now, with companies like Trump Media looking into BTC, the inflow appears to be just beginning. If this type of inflow continues to grow, analysts believe the price could surpass 120,000 in the coming months, especially with spot ETFs approved and greater global acceptance. Trump Media is confirming that it will add Bitcoin to its balance sheet following a $2.5 billion fundraising from institutional investors. This move puts the company on the same list as names like MicroStrategy, Metaplanet, and Remix Point, all of which are betting heavily on BTC as a long-term reserve. And while the announcement may seem political at first glance, it reflects a real trend. Companies across all sectors are beginning to see Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation and financial manipulation. If this video helped you better understand this new phase of the crypto market, like, share, and subscribe to the channel, activating the bell to receive notifications whenever we release content about cryptocurrencies, market analysis, and global trends in the sector. Leave your comment. Do you believe that other political companies will follow Trump Media's example? Or would you prefer to see only technology companies investing in Bitcoin? Until the next video, and remember to invest wisely, always learn and protect your assets.